If your home feels a little too quiet, if you've got rooms you never go into and stairs that are starting to feel like a chore, you're not alone. Hi, I'm Anthony Dawson, the real estate guide dog, and today I'm breaking down why Houston is one of the best places in America to downsize or right size after 50, and exactly where you should be looking if you want single-story living, lower maintenance, close access to top medical care, new constructions and modern communities, and more money freed up for travel, grandkids, and peace of mind. Yes, I help people do this every month, every single month. So what is downsizing? Downsizing is not about giving things up. It's about less cleaning, fewer repairs, lower tax and utilities, more time for you, more cash in your pocket. You're not going to get smaller, you're going to get smarter. Now, Houston makes this ridiculously easy because we're talking massive supplies of new one-story homes, no state income tax, lower cost of living than most retirement metros, world-class health care, and the incredible master plan communities built specifically for low-maintenance living. So we ask ourselves, why Houston is a downsizer's dream? First, we have the new construction is everywhere. You can buy a brand new single-story HOA maintained, energy efficient, gated or quiet communities with builders' warranties in all of them. Many include lawn service and exterior maintenance as well, and resort-style amenities. Second, we're talking about the top medical access. You are near Houston Methodist, Memorial Hermann, University of Texas Medical Branch, or UTMB. We're talking Baylor St. Luke's, and one of the most complex VAs in all the nation. All within the Texas Medical Center, the largest in the world, meaning you're never far away from specialists. Third, what about tax and cost savings? Texas gives no state income tax, senior property tax freezes, lower insurance than coastal Florida, for example, and cheaper new construction than in Arizona or California. Your retirement dollars just simply, they go further. So let's talk a minute about the best downsizing areas around here. Now, let me show you where the smart money is moving. First, we're talking Pearland, and it's perfect for easy living plus medical access. You're only minutes to Houston Methodist in Pearland. Tons of new single-story homes, quiet neighborhoods, close to shopping and dining, and very low crime. Great for people who still want city convenience without the chaos that goes along with that. Next, we have Manvel, perfect for new builds and peaceful lifestyle. We're talking master plan communities like Pomona, for example. Wide lots, clean neighborhoods, HOA maintained sections, new one-story patio homes, growing medical facilities nearby. You get space, calm, and modern design without huge prices. So let's swing over to Friendswood. You know, this is perfect for established, quiet, tree-lined communities. It's known for safety, excellent healthcare access, mature neighborhoods with patio homes, close to Clear Lake Medical Corridor. And this is for folks who want charm, peace, and stability. So we swing over to the other side of town in Missouri City. Now, Missouri City is perfect for low taxes, plus the diversity that's in the area, and of course, medical access. Now, you're near Sugar Land's medical hub, new gated, low-maintenance communities, many one-story new builds, easy freeway access. This is a hidden gem for downsizers. Go out a little further west, and what do we have? We have Sugar Land. Now, Sugar Land is perfect for luxury downsizing. We're talking resort-style 55-plus communities close to Houston Methodist in Sugar Land. High-end townhomes and villas. Top restaurants, shopping, and safety. Now, this is perfect if you want elegant, simplified living. So, take a step back and ask, so what a day in right-sized life really look like? Now, imagine this. Morning walks on quiet trails. Coffee on your covered patio. Then you have no stairs, no big backyards. You have no weekend repairs. Quiet drives to your doctor. Dinner with friends at a local restaurants. Lower bills, more freedom, more peace. That's what Houston downsizers are choosing. So if you're thinking, my house is too much, I want easier living, I want to free up equity, I want to live closer to doctors and families, you need a downsizing plan, not just a Zillow search. I specialize in, equity analysis, or, looking at the comparative marketing analysis. We're talking about builder incentives. We're talking about 15-plus patio homes, communities, or off-market opportunities and smooth transitions. So all you have to do is just click the link in the description, call or text me directly, or comment right size, and I'll personally reach out to you. So, I'm AD, the real estate guard dog, and I help Houston homeowners simplify life, keep more money, and move smart. We'll see you in the next video.